It's a new year and it's a weekend. How would you like to meet new friends? How do you make new friends? And how do you find it? Is it easy for you or is it difficult? Do you feel you have the energy and the spirit to make new connections? Research has found that about 30% of us feel lonely. In this epidemic of loneliness, it's really important to notice the profound negative impact that loneliness, not having enough friends in our life, has on our physical and mental health. And in this short video, I want to present you with 5 ways in which we ourselves make it really hard for ourselves to make new friends. I want to make you aware of these so that you come to this with more consciousness, because probably just like me, you would love to have more quality connections and stronger support network in your life. So the first reason number 1 for why making friends is so difficult is because our minds are actually not designed for that. Our minds are there to protect us from threat and taking risks. So our brain selectively remembers all the bad stuff from the past related to other people. So whenever, just before we're about to head out, go out and potentially meet new people, our brain reminds us of the negative memories from the past when somebody hurt our feelings, was ignoring what we were saying, or didn't fulfill our request, or simply broke our heart. So being aware of that can help you make more conscious decision that you should still go out regardless. Reason number 2, why making friends is so difficult. We are very time poor. So after we complete our daily duties, our homework, our jobs at home, after we dealt with everything we need to deal with every day, we have very little time left on our hands. And if, like me, you are a parent, you know that at the end of the day, you have very little time to unwind, to rest, not to mention go out and meet new people. So it's really important to schedule this time for new networking activities, for new events where you can proactively meet new people instead of hoping it's going to fit in somewhere in your busy weekly routine. Reason number 3, our self-esteem is low, our self-worth is low, and we have no confidence. So often we are not aware of our own self-image. And we might think that our self-image is positive, but really it's not. And that really impacts who we invite and attract to our life. So when we work with self-awareness on raising our vibration and seeing ourselves in more positive light, our self-image and self-esteem goes up, and we are more confident when speaking to new people. So build self-awareness through activities such as meditation, yoga, paying attention to your thoughts and your feelings. And sooner than you think, you will have enough confidence and charisma to make new friends. Reason number 4 is we fall for practical routines. So similarly to the lack of time, our life is based on routine, whether we are single, married, whether we have kids or not, everything is pretty much based on a routine. So have a think, how does your routine, daily and weekly routine, not allow time or space for meeting new people. And how can you change it? By creating new habits that will serve you in building stronger network. And reason number 5, our expectations from others are either unclear or are too high. I'm sure you can relate to that. Very often when we meet new people, we actually want to add value to their life. So the same way they are. And reason number 5, our expectations from others are either too high or unclear. So I'm sure you can relate to this, because most of us, when meeting new people, want this new person to contribute to our life the same way we would contribute to theirs. So perhaps we expect them to be available for a conversation. Perhaps we want them to find time and energy to advise us on our last project or give us a recommendation. Sadly, it doesn't work like that. Not everyone has the level of empathy and the level of knowledge or perhaps consciousness that you have. So just because we are willing to give a lot, that doesn't go the same for the other person. So being aware of our expectations, where should this person fit in our life? How can we contribute to their life? What can we give? How can they support us on our journey? Being aware of these expectations can really drastically improve our chances for making new friends, because there will be certain level of forgiveness. And this forgiveness is coming from the fact that nobody's perfect. You are not perfect and they are not perfect. And once you accept that you are not perfect, you have your faults, you will be able to accept those weaknesses in others too. And with this level of forgiveness, you have chance for making a new friend. So the truth is that in order to really make new friends and extend your support network, you really need to start from befriending yourself. Think about what a great person you are. You have so many great skills and abilities. You have a real gift in connecting with people that is yet to be uncovered, that needs to be practiced. What can you do to forgive yourself and accept yourself exactly for whom you are? The moment you accept yourself and you befriend yourself, your level of self-worth and self-esteem will go up. And before you know it, you will start attracting people to your life that should really be there, that have loads of value to add. If you would like more tips on making new friends, becoming your own best friend, and building positive self-image and identity that will serve you long time, follow us for more and check our resources underneath this video. Take care and have a great weekend.